today's video is going to be a little bit different. Today I'm going to show you how to do the wave, because in almost every TikTok dance we're going to have to do the wave, and instead of showing you how to do it in every tutorial, you can just go back to this one and practice the wave. So let's get started. There are a lot of ways to practice how to do the wave, and in TikTok you don't have to do it perfectly, you just have to do the wave in general, so it doesn't have to be perfect. So this is how we're going to learn it. This is how I learned how to do it. We are going to do it by points. So let's go. First, our hand goes down, our fingers go down, then our elbow is going up, then our shoulder goes up, then our other shoulder goes up, elbow, fingers down, and then straight line. So see how it's a straight line? Okay, so now we are gonna do the same thing again, and then we're gonna do it a little bit faster. So let's go. First, slowly. Fingers down, elbow, shoulder, shoulder, elbow, fingers, hand. See how we finish with a straight line? This is how we always have to finish. So now we're gonna do the same thing but a little bit faster. If you don't remember, you can just go back and practice it again, and then when you feel ready, you can do it faster. So let's go. Fingers, elbow, shoulder, shoulder, elbow, fingers, hand. So once again, fingers, elbow, shoulder, shoulder, elbow, fingers, hand. Okay, so now we are going to join everything. Instead of doing it by points, we're going to do it all together. So it's going to look like this. Maybe the first time it's not going to look like this because like it's your first time trying the wave, and even if it's not your first time, you still won't get it on the first try. But you just have to practice, 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 and you'll get it. The first time I did it kind of like this. And this is not a wave, right? So you just have to practice and practice even more, and then you will eventually get it. So let's go. We're gonna join everything. So this is how it has to look like. Remember, you have to end with a straight line, because if you don't, it's gonna look like this, and it's not cool, right? So you have to remember to keep a straight line. So 1. And then when you learn how to do it, starting, for example, with your right hand, you're going to do it on the other side. So starting with your left hand, like that. So that's how to do the wave. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you learned how to do the wave. And if not, you just have to keep practicing and you will get it. So don't worry about that. And make sure to like, subscribe, comment down below what tutorials you want me to do next. And I hope to see you soon. Bye!